Welcome back to another tutorial about refutations in speech and debate. Today what I want to talk about is something called the non-unique. Non-unique, what the heck is that? It is a defensive move and it's a little bit tough to understand, but here's a way you can think about it. So when I was a kid, I loved playing Mario Kart. Maybe you played that for video games. Now, I'm sure when you played Mario Kart, you had the same problem that I had, and that is, which character are you going to choose? Are you going to choose Luigi? Are you going to choose Wario? Maybe you're going to be Princess Peach or Yoshi. Well, the more that I played the game, the more that I realized it really didn't matter. It really doesn't matter that there are a whole bunch of different characters because let's be honest, in the end, really it all leads to the same conclusion. If you have the right skills for driving through the track or the course, you're going to be just fine. And the same is true with debate. You know, when debaters debate, they love to offer horrible consequences. The collapse of the economy, the spread of epidemics, wars. Why? Because in the end, they want to provide you with huge impacts or effects that help them to win the debate. However, what happens if those particular conclusions happen whether you're the affirmative or the negative? In other words, they're non-unique. They happen for either side. Let's take an example. Let's say you're debating against the affirmative, and the affirmative argues in the case of COVID-19 that we should open up businesses or the economy is going to go into a depression. So how do you answer that? Well, the negative can argue that this is non-unique. The spread of the disease is also going to lead to an economic downturn because hospitals are going to be flooded. The point is the consequences happen in either world. So why do you want to argue this anyways? The point is, the argument's going to happen no matter what we do. So we need to look elsewhere. So why do we argue this? What's the significance? Because it's defensive. It says that the impact on their side of the debate really doesn't matter. It's going to happen no matter what. So let's look elsewhere. That's right. Just like in the video game Mario Kart, it's not about which argument or character you choose. It's just about the skills for how you're going to get to the best possible outcome for your debate. Okay, see you in class.